Your physical therapist may instruct you on performing a stretch of your shoulder using a strap. Place your operated hand behind your back, holding on to the loop of the strap. Using your strong arm, pull down on the strap so that it raises your weak arm up your back. Then gently return to the starting position. Your physical therapist may instruct you to perform exercises called pendulums. Bending over at the waist and holding onto a stable surface for stability, allow your operated arm to dangle. Do not tense your arm up. As you sway your body forward and back, side to side, allowing your arm to dangle like a pendulum. Clockwise. And counterclockwise. Your physical therapist may instruct you on performing exercises using an overhead pulley. Sitting up straight, hold on to both ends of the pulley and using your non-operated arm to perform the motion, pull down with your non-operated arm, allowing your operated arm to go up in a slow controlled motion and then slowly down to return to the starting position. Your therapist may ask you to perform a gentle strengthening exercise using an elastic band. Hold on to the ends of the band and gently pull your elbows back, squeezing your shoulder blades together. If you are asked to perform this exercise on your own, remember to attach the elastic band to a stable surface that does not move. Your therapist may ask you to perform a gentle strengthening exercise using an elastic band. Hold on to the end of the band. Keep your elbow at your side and bent to a 90-degree angle. Rotate your hand outward and then gently return to the starting position. If you are asked to perform this exercise on your own, remember to attach the elastic band to a stable surface that does not move. As you gain strength in your operated shoulder, your physical therapist may progress you to using free weights for exercise. Standing up tall and holding onto a weight, keep your thumb pointed toward the ceiling as you raise your arm up to shoulder height. Then gently lower back down to the starting position. Your therapist may ask you to perform some strengthening exercises called isometrics. Throughout this exercise, remember to breathe normally and apply pressure gently. When performed correctly, this exercise should not cause any pain. Keeping your elbow bent to a 90-degree angle at your side, push your fist in toward the colored paper. Then, push your hand into the wall, again creating tension in the shoulder muscles. When your range of motion has plateaued and your strength is satisfactory, you will be discharged from a formal physical therapy program and given an exercise program that you can continue at home.